Alright everybody, I'm going to go over my current positions. Look at oil first. Have two different safeguard trades right now, one at 78 to 111 at 73.72 put debit, 63 on the naked put. We're currently at 78, so just going to wait for data to decay it. One right below it, 59 strike, further out 111 days out. So it's 77, so the future oil contract's a little bit lower. Just be aware of that. But 59 should be a good strike. And I have a 2 whiff on the put debit. Next, look at gold. I have a 111 on the put side. 56 days out. Gold has been dropping a bit, down 0.5% overnight. So the current gold position is down a little bit. Just going to keep an eye on it and still have a 10 width on the put debit. Gonna possibly make $1,000 on that. And 21.75 still is probably okay. Looking at the probability of profit, still 91%. Then I have the longer dated one on the call side. Gonna plan on probably rolling it on the call debit spread. Roll the 25.50 down a little bit. Try to get in some premium there. 2,900 is looking very safe at this point, because we're at 23.75 and it's all the way to 2,900. So I have a few strangles on corn, 390 and 650, while current this is at 464. Just started about a week ago. And then I have one on soybeans that just entered today. 1040 on the put, 1450 on the call. We're at about 1200. We're right in the middle of those strikes. Still have some bill, 240 shares, still should be adequate for my account. So I have a $65,000 account, and that's using about a little over 30%. If I bought the bill, just do 240 times 91.79. It's a little over 30% there, which is near the max I could do on bill without getting margin interest. Next, let's look at MES and ES. Do the MES first. I have a few of these monthly, because it's a best profit naked puts, all looking good. Then I also have a ratio spread that's about to expire, an old safeguard about to expire. Another consistent best profit. That was a little bit higher than my trade price, so just keep an eye on it. But 50/20s should be okay compared to 53. So still have another 300 points away. 221 most likely will just expire worthless. Only took in about 7 premium on that. But I do have some good downside protection on the 2 put debit spreads. Old safeguard probably expires worthless. Covered strangle, 51.30, 50.30. It's only 200 points away. This was up a bit more with the downturn, though. It's still up about 48 bucks. Gonna look to close those out at about 10 premium. So 75% profit. Have a MES 224, essentially 2 112s, and 45.50 is still pretty far away. So the 50.50 5,000 should be pretty safe. This one's at 3,900, even further out. This is more of a heads type play with a 200 width on the put debit spread. So they could possibly give us a big trap profit. However, most likely just expire worthless. Then I have a 4,100, 48, 47.50. Just wait. The naked puts to get to 90% profit. I have a strangle, 45.50, 5,800. A slight profit right there. Just gonna wait to decay it out. Took in 20. I'm gonna close at 10 or stop out at 60. Another strangle, same idea. Close at 10, stop out 60. Strikes are fine. Another safeguard, 4,000 is really far out. Just started that a week ago. Then another one at 113 days, 4,600. A little bit more aggressive on that. It took in more premium, but started out 2 weeks ago. Then I have some really far out ones. The 4150, 5550, 5850. I'm going to roll up the 4550 to 150 WIF, so I'll roll it up to 4700 in about 20 days or so, taking some premium there. Same idea with the 170 day, just open that. Going to wait until 120 days out. Look to roll that 4700 to 4850. And then the ES. This hedge will expire worthless. Old put debit spread on the safeguard expire worthless. Another hedge probably expires worthless. Have this 51 day 4350. It's at good decay. It's already up about $1,200, but I'm going to look to close out the 4350 at 90% profit, so about 2 premium, and then leave on the 5,049.50 as a hedge. Same idea with 4,300. Expired pretty well. It's already up over $1,000. Let's close the 4,300 at around 2. Leave the put debit spread on. Still have a hedge at the 4,400, 45.50. Pretty far out and probably won't do anything, but those are my hedges. Next I have a 44.50. Decayed a little bit. Entered it about a month ago. Already a $400 profit. The ESZ is a more recent one that's like a semi-hedge, a 111, where I did a 300 with put debit spread, and then sold all the way at 4,200. That is down a bit. Just entered it a few days ago. But the 300 with is at a pretty good profit, and actually a profitable trade right now already. But that one was pretty much a break even when I started it. So hopefully all those help, and see you guys around in the Discord. Ask any questions, and happy trading.